So now let us discuss about the wet mix plant. This is a typical wet mix plant. What you are seeing is a typical wet mix plant, and this is another view of wet mix plant. Again, the other view. This is also called pug mill, wet mix plant or pug mill. And these are the components of the pug mill or the wet mix plant. Cold aggregate bins. These are the bins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 bins. 4 to 5 bins we get. The other component is vibratory screen. C. Mixing unit. This is the mixing unit. This is the mixing unit. And then a control panel. Control panel. Control panel. This is the control panel where all operations are controlled here. So these are the hopper bins, the control cabin, these are the conveyor belts, this is the pug mill or the mixing unit. How wet mix plant works? The material from the stockpiles, the loader will load the material from these stockpiles into these hopper bins, or sometimes the tipper directly get the materials and unloads material directly into these hopper bins. And these hopper bins are for different size of materials. This may be 20 mm, this may be 10 or 12 mm, and 6 mm, and quarry dust, and so on. So the materials are either directly dumped from the tipper, or a loader will load the materials from the stockpiles. And then there will be openings here below the hopper bins depending upon the requirement, the proportion that you have already decided. The openings are adjusted by trial and error, and through these openings the materials falls onto this conveyor belt. This mixed material, dry material, goes here and it passes to the pug mill. In between there will be a vibratory screen. These mixed material, first they fall onto this vibratory screen. Any oversized materials are taken away here, and this dry material get into this mixing unit or the pug mill, and to this pug mill water content is pumped directly at the required quantity. Generally OMC is a requirement. The water content can be plus or minus OMC depending upon the climatic conditions. So the water is pumped here, and the mixed material, the aggregates mixed with water, and then unloaded onto the tipper here. So all these operations are controlled by this control cabin.